Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And let's take a quick look at this 2019 Toyota Corolla LE Sedan. Now for 2019, there's going to be minimal changes, if any at all. We do have the 2019 Corolla hatch coming out, but we don't quite have any on the lot. So we'll take a look at this 19 sedan. As far as options go, we do have these special color and carpet mats for a total of $20,724. Gas mileage is going to be 28 CD36 out on the open road. This one is Blizzard Pearl with the almond cloth interior. Checking out wheels, 16-inch steel wheels with plastic hubcaps. Then coming around back, just basic LE badging, rear backup camera. And then coming in, just press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. This one does have 3 miles on it, so stick your key in the ignition and twist to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood we have the 1.8 liter dual overhead cam i4, making 132 horsepower, 128 foot-pounds of torque, going to the front wheels through a CVT continuously variable transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. And coming in, we have that almond cloth interior as we previously mentioned. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat. Door pan materials, we do have our padded cloth armrest, power windows, locks, mirrors, as well as panel dim over there. Door storage down below. Coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. We do have our audio controls as well as our Bluetooth voice commands over here. Display button for your center screen. Then you also do have your TSSP settings down here. Lane departure alert with steer assist. Dynamic radar cruise. You also do have pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and automatic high beams. Cruise control on a separate stalk down below. Over on the left, automatic LED headlights, of course with those automatic high beams, tap distributing blinkers as well. And then over on the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. Dashboard has a nice padded stitched accent. This almond portion is nice and padded as well. Checking out your audio sources. AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs on this model. Setup, various vehicle settings, then we do have our car MPG data. Down below that, you have a single zone automatic climate control. So just set your desired temperature right here, press automatic and leave it. Or you can manually control temperature, fan speed, and zones if you'd like to. 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary audio inputs with storage. Then right here we do have that CVT continuously variable transmission with the sport mode. Go in reverse, rear view backup camera on your audio screen right here. Cup holders, e-brake, nice padded armrest with dual tiers. Glove box, you have your owner's manuals down in there with plenty of storage. Manually dimming rearview mirror, map lights, as well as vanity mirror and vanity light on your sun visor. And so that'll be it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. And coming back here, of course, almond cloth does carry through. All your door panel follows through as well with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Front seat 7x5'9" driving frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom down below as well. Little storage cubby right there. Then over here to my right, you have a nice padded armrest with cup holders and height adjustable center headrest. Up top we do have a damped cornering handle as well as illumination. Nice little view of the dash right there. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up the video. Coming around back, open up your trunk. There's a release inside as well as a button on your key. Just press and hold that and it will pop right open. As you can see, your rear backup camera right there. Nice line trunk lid with emergency release up top. We do have 60/40 folding rear seats to expand cargo room. Front license plate bracket. And then you do have a temporary spare tire and jack located underneath your floor. And so that'll be it for this 2019 Toyota Corolla LE Sedan. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.